Welcome to this GED Math Booster video. The topic is a variable in an exponent. Evaluate the expression below when x is equal to -1 and y is equal to 2. We've seen that kind of problem before, but when we look at our expression, there might be something that pops out to you as being a little bit unusual. We have a y or a variable in the exponent. How do we handle that? That's the subject of this video. Don't panic. Just substitute for each variable with its given number. X is -1, Y is 2. Let's work through this problem, and I think you'll see that it's really not that different to handle a variable in an exponent. So we know that those are our values for X and Y. I'm going to highlight those so that we can follow the substitution. X will be green, Y will be yellow, and there is our rewritten original expression. We have two X's that we're going to substitute for at the beginning of the expression, and we have two Y's at the end. One of them is an exponent. Let's substitute for those and see what it looks like. The X's become -1s, the Y's become +2s, and there is our rewritten expression. Now, from there, it's just a matter of using PEMDAS, our order of operation rules, or using your calculator to evaluate this if you're allowed to use the calculator on the problem. So let's work through that. I've just rewritten that expression after our substitution. Hopefully that looks exactly the same to you as what we have up here without the highlighting. Now, let's go step by step. The first step is to deal with inside the parentheses. So -1 minus 2 leaves us with -3 inside the parentheses. So that is handling the parenthesis first. Next, we move to our exponent. We are taking -3 to the second power. We might also refer to that as -3 squared. -3 squared. You can also think of that as -3 times -3, which is +9. So now we have 2 times -1 times +9. All we have left is multiplication at this point. We do the multiplication from left to right. So we will start with 2 times -1. 2 times -1 is -2. And we're left with just -2 times +9. That's -18. And there is our answer. Answer A, -18. So the key takeaway from this short video is that variables and exponents are really no big deal. Just substitute as usual and then make sure that you follow the proper order of operations. That may be the more difficult part of a problem like this. Do not let the variable in the exponent throw you off. That wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful.